If you're using jeans as opposed to fabric that you purchased in the fabric store, you'll need to cut the jeans apart and cut away the pieces that we could not use, such as the seams and the pockets and the zipper and that sort of thing. Linda's starting at the hem of the jeans, and she's going to cut all the way up the side seam of the jeans. And we'll cut right through the waistband. Which can be tough. Be sure that you're watching out for the grommets. Jeans have lots of metal grommets, and you don't want to ruin your scissors by cutting those. Now you cut as close to the seam as possible, so you're preserving every bit of fabric that you can. Now Linda's going to cut off the pocket portion of these jeans. So we have one piece of the pant leg. Actually, this is the back of the pant leg. And right now what Linda's going to do is straighten the edge of this pant leg out. It's very, very important to get it to ravel properly to be able to be cutting these bricks on grain. If you look at the wrong side of the jeans, which we're on right now, you'll see that you can see the grain line much easier. You will see that cutting jeans for this project is much more time consuming than cutting fabric that you buy by the yard from the fabric store. But if you would like to use up some old clothes and actually have them in a quilt, it also can be a memorable occasion because you can point out, you know, clothes that you've had in pieces of a quilt. So that's always fun to have too. So she's cutting the strips in 4-inch strips as we did before. And from that point, she will proceed just exactly how we did with the yard fabric that we purchased at the store.